Hi, it's Mike again at Entratech Systems. We'd like to talk today about the AutoSig fuel filter water separator and availability. We had a customer call the other day and they were kind of excited about adding AutoSig to their boat, and the guy was a little concerned about being able to purchase replacement filters. Well, at this time, AutoSig and AutoSig replacement filters are only available through Entratech, and they're available to purchase directly on our website. So people are worried about this special filter that has the probe inside the filter can. And what are they going to do? Well, we've planned this contingency even during the design. We don't want to leave anybody sit anywhere without the availability to get a filter. If there's a slug of water that gets in your engine, shuts you down, and for some reason you don't have a spare filter on the boat, you need a filter. You need to get home. So in the design of AutoSig, we have the power up lamp test, the filter's in place, everything's functioning normally. So all of a sudden, if you get a slug of water and you need to change your filter, and again with AutoSig it has the internal probe, which no other filter does. With this Napa filters, Sierra filters, these filters are readily available at your automotive supply stores. This happened to be purchased from West Marine. These are standard, they call it an OMC. It's a 112 pitch thread. It's a standard thread, just like the AutoSig, standard thread, standard gasket size. Of course, the other typical filters do not have a water sensor inside. But to get home and out of a pinch, you can spin that filter on from your parts store or marine store. Works fine. You can get home. The only difference is going to be your indicator light is going to stay on because it does not have the internal water probe to turn that switch off inside that filter head. Other than that, you're good to go. Your water, you're removing water and you're able to operate your boat. And this, of course, is also a Sierra, readily available again, West Marine store. So until we have AutoSig more readily available globally in your marine supply stores or other stores, auto stores, that is an option. And we even tell you right on the filter can itself, we have there, filter can temporarily be replaced with an OMC 112 thread to get out of a pinch. So we don't want anybody left sit. We want everybody to be boating and have fun. Go home, be out on the water, and be safe. Thank you.